officiating minister was Pastor Carlito Danan Sr. And we were holding hands, and I had this vow. Listen. In the name of God, I, Ruben Robara Rafanan, take you again, Ruby Vidatan Fagwe, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse. I recall that there were times in these 50 years that life was worse, but most of it was better. There were zigs and zags on the road during our 50-year journey, but most of the road was straight and smooth and was better. There were red lights, but most of the lights were green. For richer or poorer, God has been very good to us. He had given us enough for our needs and comfort. We didn't have the luxuries that we wanted, but we never went hungry. We never went begging. We had the luxury of being able to help. And when people ask for help, you always say, it is better for us to be the ones giving than we the ones asking. Look at it now. What's your name again? My wife, Ruby. We are the wealthiest. The wealth that we have is our family. On that Monday afternoon, December 15, 1975, we started with the two of us. Now we are 15. Pastor Dan named them a while ago that I would like to name them again. And I would like to have them stand when I call their names. Our son, Ruben Frank Jr. Some people call him Frankans or Toto. Our only son have our favorite daughter-in-law. We don't have any choice. She belongs to the Somoza family. Are you standing? Where are you? There. With them are Julia and Lucas. Kiko, will you stand?